Did you know you can learn advanced civil engineering online and earn a professional certificate, all by following a few simple steps? In this video, I'll show you where to find professional civil engineering courses covering civil 3D, road design, surface modeling, alignment, and much more. Whether you're a student, a recent graduate, or a professional civil engineer looking to upgrade your skills, these courses are designed to help you learn practical industry skills. Just follow the simple steps I'll show you in this video, and you'll be ready to start learning today.
So to get your civil engineering course, the first website we need to check out is called Skillshare.com. So in this website, once you come here, you can either use your Google email to create an account, your Facebook or your Apple email. You can also use a random email to create an account. And then creating an account, they're giving you 7 days free to check out any courses you have in mind to check out in this platform. So the first stuff we're going to do is just to check on the courses we want to check, which is the civil engineering course, AutoCAD. So after clicking on that, we're going to click on search. Now we're going to search for this course. You can see that they have a lot of courses. They have a lot of courses on this. They have like 7 results here. So you can see that we can also abbreviate the name. Let's say we are looking for AutoCAD. Let's remove the text and search for it. So once you search for this particular one now, you can also see, let's wait for it to load. You can also see that they have multiples on this AutoCAD over here that you can jump on. Remember, they are giving you 7 days free for you to explore, 7 days free trial for you to explore their platform and see the courses you have in mind. So 7 days is enough for you to jump on these courses and then complete these courses and get your certificate. Yes, you're getting a certificate after the completion of each courses on this area. So you can see that the courses are much, so you really don't know the one. You are going to be confused on the one you can jump on and get your certificates on. So just hop on this website. I'm going to drop it on the description so you can be able to follow up on this update. So the second website we are going to check out, it's Udemy. So on Udemy area, it's entirely different because they have all the courses in this world for you. So we're going to search for the AutoCAD course again here. So searching for this course, you're going to see all the paid version of this course because Udemy, most of them, they sell their courses and they don't give this 7 days free trial for you to try out the courses and see anyone that is good, or 7 days free trial for you to try out their platform. No, they don't do that. They have already cost courses here for you to buy. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the free courses from Udemy. You don't have to necessarily buy all these courses from here. They have options where you can be able to get a free course and you don't have to pay a dime for it. So we're going to filter all these paid courses from here and then take them out from this area. So all you need to do here is to click on this all filters. Clicking on these filters now, you can see the ratings here, and then here you can view certification prep courses only. So let's put that on because we need a certificate after we complete the courses. So you can see your ratings here, you can see your languages here. Depending on where you are watching this video from, you can choose to select the language of your choice, and then hands-on practice, you can choose to tick on that. If you want video directions, you can choose the duration of the videos you would prefer. And the topics here, you can choose the topics you would prefer. But remember, when you are switching to a free courses, most of these options will not be available for you. So on the level aspect, you can choose all levels. You can choose a beginner level, you can choose an expert level, depending on the level you are starting with or the level you are starting from. So I don't know the level you are in, but if you're a student and you want to get the more basics on civil engineering, I think a beginner level it's going to be a very good level for you to start with, because they're going to teach you everything from scratch. Now over here now they have the same class levels here, so you can start with any level, but in this platform here, Skillshare, they're going to show you the basics, show you how to get the software for you to be able to create whatever you want to create from scratch. They teach you from scratch, they hold you by the hands and teach you everything you need to know. So going back to the Udemy area, now you can see the subtitles. You can also see multiple courses on foreign languages. That is why they have subtitles here. So you can subtitle your courses to English. If you are in an English speaking country, you can subtitle it to English so you can be able to understand what they are teaching from that other language. Now, the area we are looking for here is the price. Now, you can see that on this area, they have 89 paid courses because I turned on this certification prep courses only. Now, if I should turn it off now, and scroll down to the prices, you can see that paid courses here is up to 4,153 paid course, while the free courses here is up to 545 free courses. Now what we're going to do here now is to go up again and turn on the one that is going to give us a certificate, so we can be able to observe and see the courses. So I'm going to turn on this certification prep courses only, on back again. After turning it on again, I'm going to scroll down to the prices. Now you can see that the free courses that we're going to get here is just 9. It's just 9. So what we're going to do now, we're going to explore these free courses. I'm going to click on it. After clicking on it, automatically they are going to filter out all the paid courses and show us all the free courses. So you can see that the free courses here is actually not what we are looking for. It's not what we are looking for currently on civil engineering. So we're going to go back to the filter area of the certification prep courses only. Once we off it, we're going to go back here, and you can see that we are seeing the AutoDex AutoCAD courses here available for us. Now if you want to take this course, you can see that this course is not an English speaking courses here. You can just observe around to see the one that speaks English. And also, if you want to subtitle this course, you can also click on English here, Once you click on English, we can be able to check the available course that we can subtitle. You can see we can subtitle close to 211 courses. So you can see that here. You can see that here. AutoCAD, 2D and 3D practice drawing. So you can see that it's subtitled. You can just go on this course and learn how to do that. This very one too, it's on English, so you can just use the filter area to be able to filter what you want, so you can get free courses. If you don't want it on English, you can just remove the English here and you can get the whole 545 free courses on here. So it's very easy, guys. For you to enroll, you need to sign up with them. After signing up with them, you just click on enroll now and you're getting these courses for free. So if you are from the African part of this area, just like where I am, and you only understand English language, you can also filter your language here and filter your subtitle to be on English. So once you filter it, you are going to get these courses here, which is 241 courses on English. So it's going to be more important and more safer for you to take your courses on English. At least you understand what they're saying very well. But if you are in a different country, you can also take your courses too with your preferred country languages, so you understand it more on what they are teaching on that area. So this is how you can get your courses from Udemy and from Skillshare. So
if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my latest tutorial.